boys and girls, it's Miss Noyola and I'm going to be reading to you a poem today. Now, before we went on break, we had already been introduced to what a poem is. Poetry tells a story. It is written to appeal to the feelings and senses. Sometimes it describes, and we also learned about the 3 R's. Sometimes poems have rhyme. Sometimes they will have rhythm, which is like the beat or kind of like a song. Sometimes you will see or hear repetition. Sometimes it will have onomatopoeia and even alliteration. As I read, I would love you to be looking for rhyme, rhythm, repetition, alliteration, and maybe even onomatopoeia. The title of our poem today is I Have a Babysitter Here With Me. Can you see the character there in the small corner? How do you think he's feeling just by looking at him? And by the title, I have a babysitter here with me. What do you think it's going to be about? Take a moment to kind of predict what it will be about. Okay, so now that you've made your prediction, we are going to go ahead and read our poem. If you notice, the title is at the very top in yellow letters. The author did this on purpose for you to know that this was the title separated from the poem. And it also has some parentheses and some words underneath it. It says that this poem is going to be said or sang to the tune of I Have a Little Baby Bumblebee. You may have heard this when you were like in pre-K or in kinder, and once I start to read the poem, you might remember it just a bit. And we'll notice that the poem has some rhythm. I have a babysitter here with me. I have a babysitter here with me. She's on the phone while she's watching TV. I thought she was supposed to play with me. Now she's hungry. My babysitter's gonna raid the snacks. Cookies, candy, a box of Cracker Jack. She chomped so fast that right before my eyes, she ate that prize. Wait till my parents come home, what a fit. Bet they'll never ask her back to sit. Oh no, what am I saying? I'd miss her, she's my sister. Okay, I hope you enjoyed me reading the poem. Before I go ahead and log off, I wanted to go ahead and share with you the reason why poetry sometimes is said or sung to a tune. The reason for this is to create a rhythm or like the beat or a song, and an author does this in order to create like a catchy tune that will stay in your head. So later on today or throughout the week, you probably might be singing, maybe not the exact poem, but probably the little bumblebee, whatever words you can remember. So again, when you hear the beat of a poem or it's kind of catchy like that, where it sounds like a song, it is called the rhythm. All right, so your next task is going to be to answer the comprehension questions, and I will see you again soon for another read aloud. Bye guys.